So, for those of you who don't know me, uh, my name is Inayat. Some people might know me as an actor, some might know me as a director, some might know me as a backstage guy, uh, some might know me as a technician. And it is not surprising because I have done all of this, or rather, I have worn different caps at different times. इसलिए नहीं कि मैं किसी भी चीज़ से नाखुश हूँ या ऐसा, बट ऐसा है कि आई हैव एन insatiable hunger to learn. I have an insatiable hunger to learn, and that is the only thing that has kept me going. I have been in theatre now since 1992, so it's a long, long time. Today, I have been asked to speak on behind the floorboards or stage management and technicals, which is very, very close to me. And it is close to me because वही एकमात्र जरिया था मेरे लिए थिएटर से जुड़े रहने के लिए. और वो ऐसे हुआ कि I joined theatre in 1992 with Nasir Bhai's group called Motley in a play called Julius Caesar as an actor. And उसके बाद stints चलते रहे, and I started working at Prithvi Theatre, doing backstage actually. And doing backstage kya, to be very honest, when I first came into the theatre, जो absolute rock bottom होता है वहाँ से शुरू हुआ. Yes, Santosh, 1st of May 1992 is the day of my rehearsal. The first day I went to a rehearsal of Julius Caesar, and 19th September 1992 is when that show opened. So that many months of rehearsal were there, and that many months I stuck and continued. तो हुआ ये कि I was already doing theatre, and I met with a motorcycle accident, which would take away almost a year of my life. I broke my right leg into 5 pieces, my right thigh bone into 5 pieces. And I was going to be on crutches and walker, and the whole thing was going to happen to me. But the will to stay in theatre was so much that I opted to start doing technicals at that time. Not that I was not doing technicals before that. I moved full time to technicals. Though in that time also I acted in a play with Nasir Bhai again called Androcles and the Lion. But I moved to technicals, और हुआ ये कि some of my best work, some of my most popular work has happened in the period where I had broken my leg. तो मैं एक्टर हुआ करता था, ये कुछ लोग भूल से गए, and I also kind of in the whole excitement of learning something new and moving on, I moved on to doing technicals. So I started doing technicals, and then I educated myself to an extent, and then did a course, spent oodles of money to learn technicals. अब हमारे यहाँ पे इंडिया में खासकर अनफॉर्चुनेटली बैकस्टेज वो लोग करते हैं who are so हमारे यहाँ पे नॉर्मली एक्टर्स जब ग्रुप ज्वाइन करते हैं उनको क्योंकि ग्रुप इमीडिएटली उनके ऊपर रिस्क नहीं लेना चाहता, उनसे बैकस्टेज कराया जाता है. वेरी गुड. It's a good learning experience. It's a time to also understand how theatre works, the discipline, the loyalties that you must have. एंड बट उसके लिए आप एक टाइम मुकर्रर कीजिए, अपने लिए एक टाइम फ्रेम सेट कीजिए कि मैं इतनी ही टाइम तक बैक स्टेज करूंगा, क्योंकि आप आए हो एक्टर बनने. सो नेवर लूज योर गोल, नेवर लूज योर गोल. लाइक टुडे आई एम अ फुल फ्लेज टेक्नीशियन. कोई मुझे एक्टिंग के लिए बुलाता है तो I'll consider it, but I'm not going to just jump at the word go. Now, हमारे यहाँ पे नॉर्मली ये होता है कि जो बेचारा आदमी फ्री बैठा है उसको बैक स्टेज कराना, but that is not how it should be or how it should function. Backstage is a full-time job. It's a job for a person with an eye for detail. जब तक आप डिटेलिंग नहीं करोगे तब तक you cannot be successful, because I believe, as some of the greats have always said, that what happens on stage is a result of what happens off stage or backstage. तो अगर backstage आपका messy होगा, the actor is not confident, the actor is not comfortable, when he goes up on stage, he will be uncomfortable. So the idea is to always streamline things, make them proper and keep them proper. तो backstage जो है वो जरा ध्यान देने वाली बात है कि it is a full time job. It is not कि अरे कुछ नहीं करता चलो इसे backstage करा लो. That's a very, very wrong attitude to have. English theatre to a large extent, and I will say English theatre, Hindi theatre, because मैंने सब में काम किया है. मैंने इंग्लिश कमर्शियल में भी काम किया, इंग्लिश एक्सपेरिमेंटल में भी काम किया, न्यू कमर्स के साथ भी काम किया, हिंदी एक्सपेरिमेंटल में भी काम किया, हिंदी कमर्शियल में भी काम किया. तो होता यह है कि इंग्लिश थिएटर, ड्यू टू इट्स popularity and due to its possibility of travel, has kind of adopted in whatever manner they can the Western concept of backstage workers, stage managers, technicians. So to a great extent, English theatre has managed that. Hindi theatre is stuck. Hindi theatre is stuck between the content of Marathi, or wanting to be as hard-hitting as Marathi in content and its starkness, and wanting the production values of English theatre or the popularity of English theatre. देखिए, मैं ये मानता हूं कि एज इंडियंस वी आर मास्टर्स ऑफ कंटेंट एंड स्टोरी टेलिंग. हमारे लिए फॉर वॉट एवर रीजन टेक्निकल्स कभी भी they were never prime, they were never all important. Okay, it's only with the advent of the so-called extravaganzas that started happening on English theatre stage that technicals came to the forefront. And they never came also immediately to the forefront. It took a very, very long time for it to come and to become what it has become today. पहले किसी को आप मूविंग लाइट्स या ऐसा कुछ बोल देते थिएटर में यूज करने के लिए, तो शायद he would never take you as a lighting technician or as a person. So we have to understand that people who do backstage do it out of choice, and they should do it out of choice, not out of being forced into doing backstage. And backstage is a very, very wide term, because backstage में बहुत सारी चीजें आती हैं, from costume to set to actual stage hands to lighting to sound. बहुत सारी चीजें आती हैं backstage, and they are the pillars Um, the spine in the body is not a very beautiful bone, but it makes the most beautiful person stand straight. If his spine is weak, he might be the most handsome or the most beautiful person, but खड़ा नहीं हो पाता. It is like that with a good backstage team. They are the spine, और वो when they stand united and they stand strong, कोई भी production, it becomes from a normal production to good, better, best. There's no limit to that. A lot of people keep asking us about Broadway and keep telling us कि हम Broadway के जैसे क्यों नहीं कर सकते. हम अपना ही थिएटर अच्छे से कर लें तो बहुत अच्छी बात होगी. We'll come to Broadway and competing with Broadway at a later stage when we attain the status of an industry and we are looked at as अच्छा आप क्या करते हैं, आप थिएटर करते हैं, अच्छा आप और क्या करते हैं. भाई मैं थिएटर करता हूँ. नहीं लेकिन सर आप और क्या करते हैं, मतलब to stay alive what do you do? And for 28 years I've just done theater and I've managed to live and I've managed to maintain my lifestyle. So I find it very, very difficult to explain to people that you can make a living out of theater if you stay loyal, you stay connected, you stay all there. लोग अमूमन they keep jumping, they अच्छा आज ये मिल गया चलो वहां चले जाते हैं, आज वो मिल गया वहां चले जाते हैं. So nobody will take you seriously. Do you take yourself seriously is the first question you should ask. Do I want to be here is the question you want to ask. So when I moved to being a technician, or being a backstage person, I moved to it wholeheartedly, fully and completely. And for those of the people on this panel who have worked with me would know that मैं जो भी काम करता हूँ 100% अपनी abilities और capabilities को मद्देनजर रखते हुए करता हूँ. I don't overcommit to shows. I also have great fun in doing technicals. So whether it is Saif's play or whether it is a play that I do for someone else, there has to be a give and take. There has to be a dialogue, and you're made to feel, you're made to feel a part of a family. I of course would love to thank Coconut for the Chai Vai and Rangmanch platform, which has got people together from the fraternity and talking about things, dealing with common problems. So, coming back to backstage and technicals, please, जो भी अगर backstage करना चाह रहे हैं, वो it's not a glamorous job. It's a very thankless job. You have longer hours than actors. You don't get the adulation. You don't get that actors get. आपको वो सराहना नहीं मिलती जो एक्टरों को मिलती है. बट अगर आप अपना काम अच्छे से करो, आपको एक चीज जरूर मिलेगी, वो है satisfaction. You will always go home feeling satisfied that yes, I have done a good day's job, a good day's work. I have done something constructive. I did a good show today. Most actors forget to even acknowledge backstage people because for whatever reasons. it's their insecurity, or it's their time frame, or it's their mindset. I don't know. But जहाँ तक हो सके, always you get your due when you can go home and put your head on your pillow and say, I can sleep peacefully. I did a good day's work. You are your own judge there. तो बैकस्टेज करते करते जो है कहीं ना कहीं I got attracted to doing. I did sound first. I became a sound operator, and I did some of the biggest shows as a sound guy. I did 50-Day War with Amir Raza Hussain, and I did Legend of Ram with Amir Raza Hussain again, where उस वक्त digital नहीं था. Everything was analog, and I used to be a sound guy on that show. But somewhere along the line, I decided to continue and do lights, and then because I could do lights and sound, I became quite indispensable with a lot of companies. Then I also did concerts, music concerts, with Sonu Nigam and with Kailash Kher and with a lot of other people. और वहाँ पे पहली बार LED स्क्रीन का यूज देखा. And then I started toying with the idea that why can't we in theatre get the LED screen onto stage and project sets, wear and tear sets का wear and tear नहीं होगा. काफी, yes, SEL was also one of them. I am one lucky person. I always say that I've been extremely lucky in my life. I have worked with almost every great in theatre. I'm a Satyadev Dubey student, as most people would know. So from Satyadev Dubey to Ratan Thiyam to Kanhai Lal to Anuradha Kapoor to Anamika Haksar to Muthuswamy to Kanhai Lal to Habib Saab, I can't even go into how many people I've worked with anymore. It's like someone asking me for a biodata after 28 years. And it's great fun to even try and write it, for me. Who do I write or who do I leave out? And I don't like to leave out anybody because every experience has taught me something. So I became a full-fledged technician, and I became a technical director to a lot of companies, to a lot of theatre companies. And then I also tried my hand at, merging what I was seeing in concerts and what I was doing in theatre. And incidentally, two of my productions, The Alchemist and Blame It on Yash, are two such examples. The Alchemist was the first time where moving lights were brought in on stage, intelligent lights were brought in on stage to reduce the rig size, not only for effect. Alchemist, the whole lighting design was just about 22 lights, and जिसमें war भी होता है और shadow play भी होता है और बहुत सारा magic होता है. And because of multiple locations, I brought in the LED screen onto Blame It on Yash for the first time. इतना बड़ा LED screen थिएटर में किसी ने देखा. उसके बाद में बहुत सारे लोगों ने LED स्क्रीन यूज किया. I don't think that LED screens have reduced the creativity when it comes to designing a stage for a play. In fact, it opens up possibilities. How do you use the LED screen depends on you. Now you are limited only by your own imagination, Santosh. The more you can imagine, the more you can do. So जो कभी पॉसिबल नहीं था, अब पॉसिबल है आपके पास एलईडी स्क्रीन होने से. लेकिन हाउ यू यूज इट इज द क्वेश्चन. सो producers, directors, and a lot of people, they, हाँ भाई कोई भी बैक स्टेज कर रहा है, चल जाएगा उनके लिए. लाइटिंग फॉर देम इज अच्छा ठीक है, इसको ले लिया, उसको ले लिया. बट do they really select the right person? They might select a person who fits their budget right, but is he the right person for the show? Is the question. Because backstage people are they're last. They're thrown in last. Technicians are thrown in last. They're never really considered from the beginning कि हाँ भाई मैं शो कर रहा हूँ तो ये शो जो है so and so person डिजाइन करेगा. या it's always अच्छा तू क्या कर रहा है, कुछ नहीं, अच्छा तू मेरी लाइटिंग कर. सो प्लीज गाइस, we've got to get rid of this attitude of anything goes. We have to take ourselves seriously. As technicians, as backstage people, we have to take ourselves seriously. Okay, Jaydev has given me a question, and let me see what that says. Is most of the time artists on stage feel very hot because of the usage of heavy and more lights, and sometimes light guys focus lights on artists' faces. Okay, I have nothing to comment, Jaydev. Unfortunately, I'm not here to comment on anyone's way of working or anyone's style of focusing their lights. There have been times where I've done shows with a single person or with a lot of people, and I make sure that I ask them if anything is uncomfortable, and that's what you should do as a minimal courtesy. Don't think that because every department should coexist in theatre. It doesn't become a one-way street. It's not a one-way street. It has to be. You have to ask people. So if you feel that always judge by heights. When you are standing there for focus yourself, judge by height. कि ये एक्टर के हाइट पे, ये एक्टर के फेस पे आएगा कि कहाँ आएगा. So that is very important for people. So yeah, and we're feeling hot because use of more lights is concerned. See, I don't know, but of late I've been seeing this trend, and it's a very disturbing trend कि हम 80 लाइटें और 100 लाइटें थिएटर में यूज करना हमने शुरू कर दिया. Use it by all means. Use it if you have a show of that kind. Use it. बिल्कुल use करो. If your producer allows it, and and things are working for you, very good. Use the lights to the best of your ability. That's what they're there for. But आप नाटक करोगे एक नॉर्मल घर का और आप 100 लाइटें लगा दो. I don't understand that. Then there's no design. It basically means that you're not designing. It means basically that कोने से कोने इतना लाइट डाल दो कि एक्टर कहीं ना कहीं तो लाइट में आ ही जाएगा. You're not really breaking it down to a design. There has to be a design. Theatre has to be a design. I have also been responsible for use of technology in theatre to a great extent. I was one of the first who started using a desk out of my laptop. a lighting desk out of my laptop. I did it with a small show called History of India, and in fact, History of India and Battle of the Sexes, both, which were stand-up comedy shows, were actually given production values with a light design and a set design and things like that. So I used to do that show out of a laptop, and I have never ever stopped experimenting and indulging in trying to bring technology to theatre, trying to use technology to the better of our advantage, because that's what technology is there for. There's a lot to do on stage, and there's a lot to do off stage. The fact is that this half an hour that we've got is just literally the tip of the iceberg. It's only to get to a subject that yes, this also needs attention. I cannot give you a solution in half an hour to backstage, or I cannot possibly brief you about how backstage should be run in half an hour. But yes, I can draw your attention to the fact that it's a great field to be in, but be truthful to it. Don't expect overnight results. It's not डोमिनोज का पिज्जा नहीं तो मैकडॉनल्ड्स का बर्गर सही आधे घंटे में मिल जाएगा. नहीं. Look at your life like a biryani. Don't look at it like a burger. Look at your life like a biryani. Let it simmer, let it cook, stay there. Stay there. And in times of this lockdown, I have actually spent most of my time going back on some of the shows that I have done in my life, and how would I have done it again? And you know the truth, I would have done it exactly how I did it. I would not have changed anything. With the technology, with everything also, I would have still done it the way I did it. Because of the feel of what that production gave at that time. I would not have changed anything. And people who wish to become technicians, please make an effort. Okay, you'll have lighting people who don't know anything about electricity. I mean, what kind of a lighting guy can you be? So please make an effort and take a step in the right direction. And thank you very much for coming in and having this conversation. And it was great to see some of the old guys who worked with me here. I love you all, guys. I would not be me without you all. And my crews are always important to me. My crews and my people are always more important to me. Love you all. Thank you for watching.